Hello, and welcome to Fix It Fast. Today I'll be showing you how to download YouTube videos on your desktop quickly and legally. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials like this. Now, let's get into it. Part 1. How to download your own YouTube videos. First, open YouTube on your desktop. On the left-hand side, click on Your Videos. Find the video you want to download. Click on the 3 dots next to the video. Then click Download. Your video should start downloading immediately. Part 2. How to download videos that are not yours. Click on the YouTube home icon to go back. Search for the video you want to download and click on it to start watching. Below the video, you may see a download button. If you don't see it, click on the 3 dots below the video. The download option should be there. Once you click Download, you'll be asked to choose a video quality: low quality, 144p, standard quality, 480p, high quality, 720p, full HD, 1080p. To download in high quality and full HD, you need to be a YouTube Premium subscriber, which costs only $13 or less per month, depending on your country. If you're not a premium user, you can still download in 480p or 144p. I recommend going with standard quality, 480p, for the best balance. Once selected, click Download, and your video will start downloading right away. After the download is complete, click here to view your video, or open the menu from the top left corner of YouTube, then select Downloads to view all your offline videos. That's it. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, please consider subscribing for more quick tech solutions. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd be happy to help. See you in the next video.